Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a Google Ads account with Google, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Google Ads website. Click on the Start Now button located on the home page. If prompted, sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, click on Create Account. Follow the prompts to set up a new Google. After signing in, select your advertising goal. Choose from options like get more calls, get more website sales or signups, or others. Next, enter your business information. Fill in your business name and the website URL you want to advertise. Select the target location where you want your ads to appear. You can choose a specific region, country, or radius around your business. Continue by selecting your target audience. Identify demographics such as age, gender, and interests. Next, set your advertising budget. Decide how much you want to spend daily or monthly on Google Ads. After setting your budget, choose your bidding strategy. You can opt for automated bidding or manual bidding based on your preference. Create your first ad group by selecting keywords related to your business. Use the Keyword Planner tool for assistance in finding the best keywords. Now, craft your ad copy. Write engaging headlines and a compelling description that reflects your business. Make sure your ad copy is clear and includes a call to action. Preview your ad to see how it will look once published. Make any necessary adjustments to the text or images. Once satisfied, save your ad group. Review your entire campaign settings for accuracy. Check the budget, targeting, and ad copy. When everything looks good, click Publish. Follow any additional prompts to complete the setup process. Your Google Ads account is now active and ready to attract customers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.